Artificial intelligence is transforming the way we work, learn, and create. In this video, we will explore 5 powerful AI tools that can boost your productivity. First, ChatGPT, an AI assistant that helps you write, research, and solve problems faster. Second, Notion AI, a smart workspace that helps you organize ideas and generate content. Third, Grammarly, an AI writing assistant that improves grammar and clarity. Fourth, Midjourney, a powerful tool that creates stunning images from simple text prompts. Fifth, Runway ML, a creative AI platform for video editing and visual effects. These AI tools are helping people become more productive every day. ChatGPT is an advanced artificial intelligence assistant developed to help people complete many tasks faster. It can answer questions, generate ideas, explain complex topics, and even help with writing or coding. Because of its powerful language understanding, it has become one of the most popular AI tools used by students, creators, and professionals around the world. One of the reasons ChatGPT is so powerful is its ability to understand natural language. Users can simply type a question or instruction, and the AI will respond with helpful information or suggestions. This makes it an excellent tool for learning, productivity, and creative work. Notion AI is a powerful productivity tool designed to help people organize their ideas, notes, and projects in one place. By combining note-taking, task management, and artificial intelligence, it allows users to plan work more efficiently and keep all important information in a single digital workspace. One of the most useful features of Notion AI is its ability to help generate and improve content instantly. Users can ask the AI to summarize notes, brainstorm ideas, rewrite paragraphs, or create structured plans. This makes it extremely helpful for students, creators, and teams who want to work faster and stay organized. Another advantage of Notion AI is how it improves productivity for individuals and teams. It can automatically generate meeting summaries, organize project tasks, and help turn rough ideas into clear documents. Because everything stays in one workspace, users can collaborate easily and manage their work more efficiently. Grammarly is an AI-powered writing assistant designed to help people improve their writing. It checks grammar, spelling, punctuation, and sentence clarity in real time. Whether you are writing emails, essays, or social media posts, Grammarly helps make your writing clear, professional, and easy to understand. One of the most powerful features of Grammarly is its ability to give smart suggestions while you write. It can recommend better word choices, improve sentence structure, and adjust tone depending on your goal. This helps writers communicate their ideas more clearly and professionally. Grammarly is widely used by students, professionals, and content creators around the world. It works across many platforms including web browsers, email, and document editors. By helping users avoid mistakes and improve clarity, Grammarly makes communication more effective and more confident. Midjourney is an artificial intelligence tool that creates images from simple text descriptions. Users can type a prompt describing what they want to see, and the AI generates unique digital artwork in just a few seconds. This technology allows artists, designers, and creators to quickly turn their ideas into visual images. One of the most exciting things about Midjourney is the creativity it unlocks. By simply writing a few descriptive words, users can generate stunning landscapes, futuristic scenes, fantasy characters, and many other artistic styles. This makes it a powerful tool for visual storytelling and creative exploration. Midjourney is becoming an important tool in modern digital creativity. Many creators use it to design concept art, marketing visuals, book illustrations, and social media graphics. By turning simple text prompts into detailed images, it allows anyone to explore creativity and produce professional-looking artwork. Runway ML is a powerful artificial intelligence platform designed for video creation and editing. It allows creators to generate and modify videos using advanced AI tools. With features like background removal, text-to-video generation, and visual effects, Runway ML helps filmmakers and content creators produce professional videos more easily. One of the most impressive features of Runway ML is its ability to generate and edit videos using artificial intelligence. Creators can transform simple ideas into dynamic visual scenes, remove objects from footage, and even create entirely new video content with AI-powered tools designed for modern storytelling. Runway ML is quickly becoming a valuable tool for filmmakers, designers, and digital creators. By combining artificial intelligence with powerful editing capabilities, it helps creators experiment with new ideas and produce high-quality visual content faster than ever before. Those were 5 powerful AI tools that are changing how people create content and work more efficiently. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow NextGen AI Academy for more videos about artificial intelligence and digital creativity.